So Silksilky.com is known for their super luxurious women's silk line. So they sent me a couple beautiful pieces to show you guys. So I'm gonna show you this gorgeous leopard nightgown, I guess that's what you would call it, and this really cute two-piece set. They also sent a pillowcase, which I'm gonna go over the details about sleeping in silk pillowcases, and also a cute little scrunchie and eye mask. So let's get going with Silksilky. But before we go anywhere, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's talk about silk and all things luxurious in the comments. Okay, first little piece I want to show you guys is this ultra adorable, super soft, I wish you guys could feel how soft this is, little night piece. I love sleeping in stuff like this. Very comfortable, very breathable, and if you don't like waking up with wrinkles all over your body, sleeping in silk is perfect for that. So let's try this little number on. Okay, so here is my silk piece number one. I just wish you guys could feel how soft this is. It's like crazy soft. Very, very comfy. You could lounge around the house in this, sleep in this. I was actually looking up a couple fun silk facts, and I don't know if you guys knew, but silk is completely hypoallergenic. So if you suffer from skin issues or if your skin is sensitive, sleeping in silk is incredible. Very, very breathable. I personally do have skin issues, so sleeping in something like this is good. If you train a lot, if your pores get clogged, this is nice and airy, so you don't have to worry about waking up with like little bumps all over your body. Very cute. And it's kind of a fun pattern too, so if you're feeling spicy, you could wear this one. Outfit number two. Okay, outfit number two, I love, 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 love. You guys already know from my other try-ons, I love little two-piece sets, especially when it comes to sleeping. This one is sexy, it's cozy, it's fun, it's black, it's silky, it checks all the boxes. A really good gift idea for the women in your lives too for Christmas. Just saying. Let's try this one on too. Okay, next outfit. You guys, I could live in stuff like this. I love this. Back to being ultra comfortable. Very, very breathable. Super, super easy to wash this stuff too. All you have to do is hand wash it, let it air dry outside. Do not throw this in the dryer because it will get totally destroyed because it is real silk, 100% silk. So you just want to hand wash it, hang it up, and you are good to go. You could tuck your little top in here. It's got a cute little bow detail. Very fun. Like I said, great gift idea. I don't know a single woman that wouldn't want to just lounge in silk all day long. So this is fun. Next thing. And I want to finish up with showing you guys the accessories that I have from Silksilky also. Number one being a silk pillowcase. There are so many benefits to sleeping on a silk pillowcase. I literally do not have all day, but a couple of the best ones are frizz-free hair in the morning, which I totally appreciate. Very, very good for acne-prone skin because it basically holds moisture, so it helps your skin stay nice and hydrated throughout the night. And it also helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles, so that sounds like a win-win to me. And they also have these in all sorts of colors. I just got the pink because I thought it was adorable. I love this little baby pink color. So get your silk pillowcase as well. And my final two accessories from Silksilky is this cute little eye mask, which I also got in pink, and a little scrunchie, which I love silk scrunchies because they don't leave indents in your hair. So boom, take that, other scrunchies. And it looks like I'm ready to go to bed. So I will drop a coupon code for you guys in the description so you could go get your own Silksilky stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys get so we could be nice and comfy together.